Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Cherry here, and for today's video, I'm going to be solving another Rubik's Cube. I'll be solving the Master Morphix Rubik's Cube. You can't tell right now because it kind of looks deformed, but this will be, when you're done, it'll be in a pyramid shape. So let's get solving. 3, 2, 1, go. So right now, oh, that was really simple. I just formed my little X here, and now I just have to bring the corners in. And do the same to the blue side. There we go. Now I'm going to be putting my centers in, the red center, and then the blue center. There we go. Now the edges, nope, no, here it is. There we go. This is a little hard to do with acrylics, but no worries. Okay, now this side, one more rotation and it'll be locked in. There we go. Now we're gonna do each side. So let's start with green. Okay. There we go, the green side is done. Now the yellow side. Perfect. Now we're gonna be doing the blue side. And then lastly, we're gonna be doing the red side. And then that's done. Now all we have left is this top layer right here. Okay. There we go. Now once that step is done, now we're on to our ultimate step. Just putting the pieces in the correct place, not the correct position, but the correct place. The problem with this cube is that you can't turn it unless everything is placed perfectly. Okay, there we go. There we go. This one is the correct place, but not the correct position. Just fix up that one. But when you're doing that, this part gets scrambled, so let's do one of these pieces to bring it back. And there we go. That is the Master Morphix Cube entirely solved. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you all next time. Bye, everybody.